Namaste, I'm Acharya Pratishtha and I welcome you to the English channel of Bharat Yoga English. Well, do you know that you have an amazing medicine, an amazing cure to all your diseases, all your health related problems at your kitchen? When we talk about the great ancient Indian culture, and when we talk about the food that we take, the Indian food, whether we talk about the South Indian food or North Indian food or food from any part of India, this ingredient is there in most of the Indian preparations. Reason is that our elders, our ancestors knew it from the very beginning that this one thing can change your life. In our great Indian culture, 11 is considered as a very pious number, though there are number of benefits of this one ingredient, but I will be sharing 11 most important benefits of this one thing in your diet. Now, if you add this one single thing in your diet, you can actually get rid of most of your health related problems. Now, what is that one single thing? That one single thing is turmeric. Turmeric is very easily found and available, or rather, I should say, it's a must in every Indian kitchen because of the benefits it has. In Western countries, people are doing a lot of researches on turmeric, but if I talk about Ayurveda, yogic lifestyle, turmeric is an important part of our Indian living, an important part of our Indian day-to-day food. I would suggest you begin your day with turmeric water or turmeric tea. If you don't know how to prepare turmeric tea, it is very, very important. More than turmeric water, I would recommend you to take turmeric tea. How do we prepare it? I will be sharing a link at the description box and at the eye of preparation of turmeric tea, which everyone can prepare at home and you can see amazing results. But if you're lazy enough to make turmeric tea, you can even have turmeric water. It's very, very simple. Just always begin your day with turmeric water. How do we make that? Take a glass of water, add a pinch of turmeric, pinch of haldi in it, and just drink it. This is how you can begin your day with turmeric water. Now, when we talk about benefits of turmeric, the first and most important benefit is it can even prevent cancer. Yes, you heard it right. If we learn to use turmeric in the right way, we can prevent cancer through that. A lot of researches have been done on this, and many researches are still going on how it helps in cancer prevention. It relieves arthritis every single day. We get so many cases of joint pain, arthritis. People are suffering from this pain. If you add turmeric in your diet, you can reduce arthritis. It controls diabetes. It is so sad to see that we are becoming capital of diabetes. We are becoming capital of heart diseases because we have left our own traditional Indian way of eating. If you add turmeric in your diet, you can actually prevent diabetes as well. You can control your diabetes. When we talk about cholesterol, we all know how dangerous increased cholesterol is. You know, when our blood becomes thick, so thick that it is not able to go into the veins itself, our heart needs to pump it more. And when our heart pumps it with more pressure, we call it blood pressure. Blood pressure has been increased. That thickening of blood slowly converts into, high level of cholesterol and then heart ailments. So turmeric reduces your cholesterol levels. It controls your cholesterol level. Fifth is a very, very important benefit, especially at this crucial time of pandemic. We all have seen that how important it is to have good immunity to fight against diseases, and it works as an immunity booster. All those who have ever stayed in India would know in India, if you have any wound or any pain, your grandmother, maternal or paternal, will always say, "Beta, take turmeric milk, it's going to help." Because turmeric helps in healing wounds. When I was a child, I never saw people taking painkillers around me because everybody used to have turmeric milk if there was any wound or any pain. So it works as a healer to your wounds. Seventh is very, very important in today's time when you're spending so much of time on weight reduction programs. Yes, turmeric helps in reducing your weight. So if you really want to reduce your weight, add turmeric in your diet. All diseases either begin with your stomach or with your mind. And that's why it is said whatever you eat, that makes your body, that makes your mind, and that makes your life. So plenty of people suffer from the problem of indigestion, anything related to your stomach, whether it's constipation, whether it's stool discharge several times a day, whatever it is, all digestion related problems can be cured and managed by the right intake of haldi, right intake of turmeric. Ninth is it helps, it prevents Alzheimer's. And in today's time when we are so much surrounded by so many gadgets, we find it really tough to remember things. People are realizing that they are forgetting things. People are feeling that they keep something somewhere, they are not able to recognize people, they are not able to remember their names. So taking haldi every day is something that can help you even in Alzheimer's. And 10th is that it prevents any kind of liver diseases. So if you want to keep your liver healthy, make sure that you adapt to this lifestyle where you can take turmeric, where you can add turmeric in your diet. Now, 11th and most important is if you really want to have flawless, beautiful, glowing skin, add turmeric to your diet. Why? Because it detoxifies you, and once you have detoxified your system, you can have glowing, beautiful skin. So these are 11 benefits of turmeric. Make sure, what are you thinking? You must begin your day with turmeric tea, and I will be sharing the recipe at this description box and at the link. To watch all our videos in Hindi, subscribe to Bharat Yoga. To watch our all videos in English, subscribe to Bharat Yoga English. And if you have someone you care for, you love someone, you care for someone, make sure that you give them a beautiful gift. And one can be a better gift than this video. So share this video with your loved ones so that they can also live a healthy and happy life. Health is the biggest gift. Gift of health is the biggest wealth, is the biggest gift you can give to anyone. So make sure that you share this video with your loved ones and stay tuned for more videos. I will be sharing a new video next week. You can watch fresh videos every Monday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday at Bharat Yoga English, and every day a new video is uploaded at Bharat Yoga channel. Subscribe to that as well. If you have any problem, if you have any query, do write to us. You can also join us at our social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, QApp, Twitter, Acharya Pratishtaji. I will be seeing you next week. Till then, you stay healthy, you stay happy, and make sure you add turmeric to your diet. Thank you.